But you already know, say anything where truly concern you, it concern me. And now why I need to choke my mouth. And now why if it concern me too, you choke your mouth. 95.1, your choke mouth station. 6 minutes over capacity hour of 1 o'clock in Lagos, Nigeria. And to the whole world, welcome on Top Women's Corner. Today we go direct. I know say plenty of when I get conversation where they go on social media platform. Everybody they talk in mind. Which really they show our colors. But is this something new? Some of them call me for social media platforms. Some of them send me DMs. Say, Cheche, what you have been talking about all the time. I day here every day. I talk my mind about these things. Every day, Cheche come here on Top Women's Corner. They tell you why it is very important. You as a woman need to be financially independent. I day here they talk to you about why you not supposed to think say na marriage be the only thing we go validate you as a human being. I dey here every time. What I need to encourage you to learn skills. I dey here every day. They talk about why you need to believe in yourself. Why you need to get aspiration in life. You get something where you never hear from me. It's sad because we look at from every space of life and different situation and different places where we dey. We dey see say it dey happen to both rich, old, young, poor. Some people fit get the money, but they don't get access to the money. Yes. Oh, well, yes. I don't see somebody will tell me, say, in any single thing where she need to spend, her husband must like to know what it be about. And I ask her, okay, when your husband they spend, you they know? She say, no. I'm like, okay, I'm for balance for better. If you talk, say, make both of us for family, they tell each other in anything where we want to spend. And all well and good. Why not? Even if we need to they print out bank statements, we go print them out. Accountability. We believe in each other. But me, I not go fit stand in a situation and see, because from the beginning it was not so. That no be the sole reason why God creates marriage. You see what thing we they do, no be how God create them. From the beginning, it was never so. How can something we're supposed to bring joy, happiness? How can something we're supposed to make you a better person? Make you learn how to even behave in a better way? Two people were supposed to become one. We finally become enemies. The worst be say you can't come marry Isonu. You can't marry Woskatia, your enemy. How can you be somebody's husband or somebody's wife, but you know wish the person well? This witchcraft, it pass am. How is it possible? We need to start from the beginning. Things where would they recite? Things where would they say? The vow where would they take? Where would they actually? The question: where would they actually go with marriage? Now, what thing God want for us but this? I mean, now we will be human beings design in the way we suit us. Why we they always want get a master and a slave relationship? Why? That's the question. So today I want to talk about why the Nigerian society they stigmatize divorcees or the word divorce. Why this Nigerian society they look am like say this thing as something where be say no supposed be. They see am as a curse. Why would they stigmatize divorcees or divorce? And then we also they stigmatize single parents, especially single mothers. Well, shall we begin, Lagos? What do you think actually say be the reason? All male and female welcome, single, married, about to, dating, in a complication ship or complication, whatever, any situation where we say the relationship, please choke mouth. Where will they go? As a people. The family, the foundation of it all. You begin to train your children. How you they train the girl child? You they train your girl child because every day some of us or some of them where we say train us now, sit down well. Now, only the girl child, they tell me she sit down well. Oh, cook well. Oh, learn how to cook. Oh, learn how to do this. Oh, shut up. When people, they talk, no talk. You are training her for somebody. But that person where they train her for, nobody train that person. Tell me how you go work. Do we see, say we be a society where we say create problem, then we run can go by, hey, problem done there. But now you create them. The monster way we dey pursue, now we create them by ourselves. You as a parent, mother and father, your daughter go come house, say she no marry again, you go chase her back. Some of una, they talk, I'm in the church, or may they not come out me for church, may they not come out me for front. Because your child talk, say she no want do marriage again. Why? Because she dey suffer inside them. Una begin the fight them. Tell me, when the house don't begin the fight them, how she go feel outside? You go where be the daughter. You think say the only thing where you want to achieve for this life, not only marriage. Heaven is the goal. Marriage is never the goal. So why it go be something where go validate you? They say if it's not good for your head, make you quit. Instead of to make you a bitter person, make you turn to something else, make you become an animal, you quit. They say God hate divorce. Oh, the same God hates so many bad things where we they do as a people. Yes. Lagos, why we as a people, they stigmatize people where they divorce, even the one where one divorce. Then pastors and religious leaders begin to advise you, they tell you to pray. Pray for what? And you be the Holy Spirit. When Christ, they go, you know, tell you, I go send helper. Now me go help you. Now me want pray for you, make you become a better person. How one pray for Woskatia? A parent train that person, no. You know, say you get a mental health issue, but you enter inside marriage. What did they do for there? You know, say no, they like take nonsense, but you enter inside marriage. What do you they do for there? You know, say smart thing, you don't vex. You know, they tolerate. What do you they do inside marriage? Smart thing, papa, you don't raise hand. What do you they do inside marriage? You need help. They need to rally around for you. You need to collect room for Yaba left. You need help. Oh, I don't like people to talk when I'm talking. Who you be? No, who you be now? Even when they follow God relate self, who you be? Why they don't go follow you talk? They don't go put mouth where they put mouth. When you are talking, everybody shut mouth. Even your children, when you enter high, your children go run. Why would they stigmatize divorce? And why we they stigmatize parents where be say don't decide, say, okay, I not do again. I want train this speaking alone. From the church to the society, to even tradition and culture, some of them, they coin them in a way to make sure, say, the woman, she can never go free for life. Why are we this wicked to ourselves as a people? The matter, it come from up to down, to the lowest. So many people, they shout, hey, why did she for leave? Now she for leave. If she leave, when you see her outside, what you go call her? I don't tweet something for Twitter to @Wazobia_FM #Women's Corner. I don't put them out for you, and if you do wetin, drop your comment for there. Wetin be the reason why Nigerian society they take stigmatize people where divorce and the single mothers them? Wetin you think they be the reason? And secondly, for WhatsApp 0809597588, please choke mouth. The phone lines they open for you to also feel choke mouth. Digital, this one I keep quiet. You're on course. Why divorce be a problem to you? You as a man of God, as a woman of God, why it be a problem to you? Why they decide for God? Why they preach the wrong thing to the people? God hate divorce. Other things where God hates, where you they do as a man of God, as a woman of God. God no hate all those ones. Why you go subject a woman to praying for somebody and making her believe say that person go change? Why the person go change? Why you think say somebody where they demented, somebody where they sick, where need a doctor, where need a psychiatrist? Now you want change. Change for what? For your prayer. Woman, you pray. You pray yourself into you know, another world when they see you. Somebody 20, 30 looking like 60 years old. Because of waiting your own fellow human being they do you. And some of us say, oh, we been no, say she they go through domestic violence, but what you do? And even her, because of the preaching, we don't enter her head. Because the men and women of God don't turn her head to so many other things. She believes, say, oh, if I leave, they go laugh at me. If I leave, maybe truly the church not go even call and to come preach. Yes. Una not go call and to minister because now una be secretary jesu. Now una they monitor what they happen for heaven. The way God want make it happen, it go shock us on the last day. Some of the husbands, they use money as a control tool. And now why are they empower you? They let you know, so as a woman, you need to be financially independent for yourself. Because now there your freedom they start from. From now there you begin to get your mouth. Some of them say, oh, I cannot go. Where I go to? Because you're not financially independent. You need to do something for yourself. Because when they know that you can pick up your bag and say you are moving, and then they go, remember, say you be human being to respect you as a human where you be. Even children these days, they know they beat them anyhow. Not even talk of adults. I mean, how you go raise up your hand, slap an adult? How you go raise up, allegedly they say kick him. How you go raise up as a human being do him? So does it mean that everybody where they annoy you outside and so they fight and so they beat them? Welcome to 21st century. We sit down and we talk, we dialogue, and if you know they work for me, if I know they're happy, I walk away. Divorce. Now a channel for you to say whether I like them or not like them. You move. You move. I go pick calls. Lagos chook mouth. Hello.
One basket of agbaluma for you.
Thank you so much, darling.
God bless you. See, I remember the time where that the freeze is my good friend, even where I am today, the control before advice. See, what do that is the voice? Waiting ears here. This say that guy no get my for just by silence. One popular pastor again, when we provide the voice, there's something one push for us. That's why normal. That's why there's the voice. Now waiting they call kill us for this country with that. If you allow to see you go judge, the person will just go like that. I don't know what thing happens to I don't do again. Go your own side, go my own, because you know they hear the same language. When they come there again, I don't know what thing difficult when people decide to. Now by for this country, if you divorce in a case, travel out now. Let's say marry this one. If you know work, everybody work. Nobody they look for you there. But for here, don't be like that. Now what they kill us is that, honestly.
Thank you so much.
Everywhere in the talk. This way you get here, you here. If you look people mouth, you die silent.
95.1, your Chukma station. And we still there here for you, my lovely tweeters to them. And so many people where they tweet at me already. I love to see it. And stay on top of that Twitter because I will shock you today. On top Twitter, we there for Women's Corner. And if you just join the conversation, my name na Cheche Smith. Then they call me Buse Swane on top this level. And we they talk why you think that the Nigerian society they stigmatize divorcees or divorce or even a single parenting, especially single mothers. We see them in a particular way. We look on them in a particular way. We say some things to them. And as a matter of fact, some of us go even cut down the way where they relate with them. Some of us, they even warn our brothers and sisters not to associate with somebody because the person is a divorcee or the person is a single parent or a single mother. We see them as sinners and as outcasts, even in the house of God. You don't want to relate with them, but the question be say, wetin Jesus go do if say na in there your position? When he come according to the holy books, he make us to understand, say, wine and dine with the sinners, because how else he go take bring them closer if you not get close to them? And so we get situation where people continue to suffer in the house and the presence of God because of waiting you human being go say to them, or waiting I go do to them, or how I go take judge them, or how I go take perceive them, or how I go take even tell them, say, you know they're holy enough. We even they're more holier than the person we create us. The same God shall say he go send us helpers because he not say we not go fit do them on our own. And so when in the talk say these are the things we're supposed to do, we turn them in a way where we say go suit us, go suit our outer persona, because we no one relate in a certain way or see us in a certain way. Now why parents go advise their children not to come home when you don't marry finish, you go no come house. And so because the child don't know where you go wrong, go family members, friends, they associate themselves from him to talk to somebody, say calm down, take it easy, pray for him to change. Why must I be the person to pray for you to change? I rather pray for the people who don't get homes. I rather pray for people where they sick than to pray for somebody where I not say get a mental problem, where need help, where need attention of a specialist to feel attend to them. Somebody where we say supposed to go through anger management courses. When would they do marriage counseling and everything? What be that thing where would they do? How would they teach people to act, to behave? How would they tell people to look at our own look at ourselves as people wey be say don't become one now, because if you feel beat another person, that be say you feel beat yourself. It's a question. I really want men and women get to put their mouth inside this matter. Why you they preach patience? Why they preach endurance? Why they preach perseverance? Why they preach to people to remain inside and abuse the relationship or remain with an abuser? And you they pray for them. You they tell them to endure. You tell people that to be virtuous, to be this, to be that. It makes you a holy and a qualified and acceptable woman if you remain in a suffering relationship. Why? Why would they do that as a people? Why would they harm people? Why would make them difficult for people to run away and run for help and escape from this trauma? Why? We go support. Say maybe they fast, they pray for a man when you know say naturally everything they vex him. They vex all the time. Some of us they even make excuses for these people. Maybe the wife don't talk anyhow. Now why you beat her? Or maybe the wife they nag him. They force her make it dead the marriage. If you as a man feel like say your wife they nag so much, you know you can divorce your wife and walk away for your sanity. Abi you know like peace of mind. And if we as a woman, you know say your mouth not they stay one place, why not remain single? Must you marry? Why the noise? Why the wahala? Now so God plan them. Really not so. Culture and tradition do their own more than modify them in a way where we say go favor them. Shall we begin to talk about that angle too? Divorce no be a cause. Separation no be a cause. No die avoidable deaths. No die in a situation where people will look and say, hey, yeah, he or she, oh, you died in vain. No die like that. Your father don't give you freedom already. Shebi God, Jesus died for us now. Sort of us will believe him. So why you need to die again? Why you need to suffer? Some people say now a cup of offering. Please, what in the cup of suffering? Please enlighten me. Make I know more. What in the cup of suffering? Some of you go say matter of husband and wife, they know they put man. If they know they put man, how they go take settle the matter? He said, don't bring third party. I am ready to bring third, fourth, fifth, five, even the 10th party to settle that problem. Even if my whole village go gather, make they settle that person. Say matter of husband and wife, we be enablers. You see, all of us plus me and you, now we they enable that. Now we they make a woman wey run away go say make it go back, you continue inside the beating. You say when be the woman now if you stand on your own because you believe say the life where you come, now man supposed to take care of you. Obiageli, you sit down there. You not gonna do anything for yourself. I ask you question. Before you marry, you no get plans. Before you marry, you no go school, you no learn skills. You no get work for hand before you marry. So why you gonna marry, you go sit down one place. If you no bring, you no go chop. So if you no marry, you no go chop. You say some of us now because you are hungry now why you there inside that marriage. Marriage where you know say go kill you eventually if you no run away from him. You still there. Somebody say because of the children go still grow. Now the Osinachi, where her children dey? You know where children dey? The funny thing is that the pastors not go even follow you. Those pastors will advise you make you stay. They don't follow you die. Sister, they are still alive. Lagos chook mouth. I get loads of messages to read. Make I read wetin dey happen for Twitter. Forgive me. Cheche, I don't think I do on Twitter now. At Wazobia_FM hashtag Women's Corner hashtag. Okay, madam with Cheche. Hi Cheche. I don't think it's a general societal acceptance in Nigeria. Islam practically permits divorce and they encourage us to remarry. Okay, darling. Eniola, thank you so much. Cheche, all these things get as e be o. Relationship get a time where it go get kata. All right? And nowadays, men are being hostile and women are free to do anything they like. They are being hostile because women are free to do anything they like. So let's call on God to take care of this. Women don't grow wings and men don't agree. That's the problem. And I really want to ask, when you mean women don't grow wings, what kind of wings they talk about? Does it mean they be no get wings before and now they don't begin they grow wings? And why you get problems say they grow wings? Why do you have a problem with that, darling? But welcome, Ricky Tane, 22. Please follow him on Twitter, and also follow Assured ACCOID. Follow her. That's Eniola on top Twitter. We get another person, BJ Zim, BJEEZIM. Please follow him on Twitter. And our guy, and in Twitter, he talks. Sweetwell said the stigma has sent many people to early grave. What will people say? My late auntie was a victim. Okay, we also get a Chidon 1234. Chidon talk say you they shake that table leg. Well done, my sister. Sugar Lele Odugo. And we get Nemeka Ogwago. He say fear of what people will say. Now the matter be that. All right, we also get Dwesi One talk say churches me be blessed. Now crucial matter be this. Right on. The major problem comes with the family. If family supports their child, if it is not working out, the child will have a ground to take a walk. Thank you so much, Dwesi. That's DWESSY1. Please follow him on Twitter. We also get the only great man. Good day, Church. For me, I think why it's a crime for Nigerians is because their tradition is not a crime. It's not a crime. Okay, but you say it's because of traditions, religion, belief system has caged their minds and thinking right from when they were kids, and divorce is a crime. Great man from Ojobarak. Thank you so much. The only great man. Please follow him on Twitter, guys. Also get official _ AB1. You talk say I feel ignorant from both the learned and the unlearned individual. I had this conversation with my pastor, and I realized that the most men of God are really blinded the eyes and mindset of their congregation. So bad, but I won the praise jam ticket on Thursday. I haven't seen it. Hope say you give us a certified email address. You will receive your own invite very soon. Okay, so they go on top the phone line, make them very brief when you choke mouth, so that other people go feed you waiting also feed choke mouth. And on top my WhatsApp, hey, those messages there. Lagos, choke your mouth now.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, sir.
Bless you. How are you?
I'm very well, sir. Welcome.
You see, I have been listening to you soon.
Okay.
And it's very, very interesting.
Thank you, sir.
The issue I just want to chip in is that, you see, things are turning around. You know, things are turning around from what the purpose of God to the purpose of men now. You know, and Bible said it later time that God will come. I mean, the later time shall come when the love of God will no longer exist.
To grow cold.
Men are now on themselves. You understand? And the lovers of God will wax cold. The love of God will wax cold in men. And men now live on self. You know, they no longer carry God along the way they live. You know, like now, if you look at what is happening today in our society, you see that people no longer fear God. Because when you are talking about marriage, you are talking about fear of God. For the beginning, Bible says, fed unto fire. And you see, now even nowadays, you see ladies now, they will even accusing the others. So those small girls, they say you don't have any boyfriend as big as you are. You are 14 years, you don't have boyfriend.
Yeah, I want make you stay on course. And they ask, wetin they make society they stigmatize divorcees and single parents?
That is what I am telling you now, because no more fear of God.
Okay.
No fear of God.
Okay,
both
sir.
Stages, everybody is a teacher to teach. Every couple, both men and the women.
All right.
Nobody has fear of God. Everybody now is talking about step.
All right, sir.
I have seen a situation where women beat men. One woman beat her husband.
Wow.
Almost dead.
It did happen.
You understand me?
Yes.
So it happens. And we try to settle that matter, and because the woman is the breadwinner, not that the man is not working, but just that she is ahead of the husband.
So she take upon herself to maltreat her husband.
Maltreat her husband.
So sad.
Before that man will eat, he has to wash clothes, he has to do the
No way, not accepted for anybody, be it male or female, not accepted. No,
okay.
No, is a no. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your contribution. Lagos Chukmouth.
Hello, Church.
Yes, Mama.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You know what? Our mentality and the idea that people believe that marriage is the only way you can get happiness is making people to look down on single mothers and divorcees. And that is the great mistake that they are making. Because to me, when you are a married woman or a married man, doesn't mean that that one will carry you to God's kingdom. Like,
And that's why most of them will stay. They will be beating them anyhow, and they will still sit down there to the point of death. It is really, really annoying to hear what is happening now. How so many women will just lose their life for the essence of I'm enduring. That your endurance, na foul. Because not the waiting Bible even tell you, say make you endure for that one.
All right, Mama.
Because of my children. No will.
Thank you. The only thing why I go fit tell you be say from the beginning it was never so. It no be the plan of God for waiting to happen. And most of the marriages where be say we they see right now. Yeah, myself I be human being, all shared of emotional right now. But then Lagos, because of my professional training, I guess do the needful. Welcome back on Top Women's Corner. I guess to play that song, and to myself, I just wonder how I go feel still listen to this song right now, knowing some of the things where we say we don't hear. How can you they go through domestic violence, the kind of power where you the way as a human being, the voice, the gift to humanity, just off like that, because somebody feel like say in there somewhere. Now you go feel dictate, now you go feel talk, now you go feel handle another person, now you go feel be a master and a slave relationship. From the beginning, it was never so. Nobody go feel come out to support anything. You know, they're right for us as a people to stand our ground and begin to make such comments. Begin to do something. Even as they talk now, it they happen in different places and you they support them. Go home and pray. A man of God, a woman of God, you say, go home and pray. Pray for what? For the finished work of Christ, or for what again? What are they pray for? Actually. Woman, stand up. Be financial independent. Financially, you need to do something for yourself. Make you not stay stuck there because of hunger. Make you not die actually for nothing, because Christ don't die for you already. So this one where you want to die now, who they die for? Who asks you? Who beg you? Run away. Save yourself. The children where you want to stay there because of them. If you die, the children go still there alive. But they go even suffer more because you no longer there to take care of them. From the beginning, that be how God take plan. I dey go on top of WhatsApp. I get roughly a few more minutes to figure before I enter. I need to enter Palava fast as possible to feel distress myself. Thank you so much for this topic, Cheche. Why is it that if you, because of the thing your husband they do you, and you go back to your father's house, inside your family, they too will start from where your husband stopped. You will not have rest of mind. I think that's why some people can't run away. Okay. And if you don't marry a husband where no say your family no even want you go, and you no get power to run, and you not even get your own money for hand. Some of the money where you know, in the one way they even give me, some of you say, he said I should stop working. He get reason why he say make you stop working. It's not them. Yes. Not them. He want use wealth, money as a controlling tool, not them. So no they are here, that is why he's paying me side. You know if you make money for yourself. I be this money thing, agenda thing. Cheche, honestly, I love you. You always say the truth. I'm a victim of domestic violence. When it was too much for me to be, I move out with my children. Even when I move out, they hate seeing me laughing or happy, gisting with people. My children that are in school refuse to come back home for holiday until when I pack out. All of them, they're with me here. I thank God for my life. It get very high spirit of anger. Cheche, it was hell on earth. No name. I understand. No name. Until women stop spiritualizing domestic violence and stop reporting to churches about it, then trust me, it will become a norm. Cheche is on fire today. Right on, boss lady. Thank you. Good afternoon, Cheche, for this beautiful topic. Give us extra time. I go try. Honestly, these people making us feel like divorce is a very bad sin in this country. My mom almost lost her life. If not, she divorced. Austin, I see you. Cheche, I'm a man, but I want to tell you that I'm in love with you. I love how you treat your shows, and I love how you speak to women all the time. Thank you for playing her song. God bless you. Okay, even me playing her song, they put me in some kind of corner, because hearing that gift, hearing that, I dey hear that voice. I mean, no reason whatsoever. No reason. I beg you. Hi, Cheche. Religious leaders will have a say over your marriage when things are wrong, especially when my life is at risk. You talk, say enough is enough. One must not die to know that one's death is not And once one person die, person know they come back again. Church pastors are the problem. They can't tell us the truth. Rather, they go advise you to endure wrath. Okay, our late family member was a victim. Each time she runs home to her family, they will chase her back. The mother will even follow her, go and beg the husband. They beat her. Eventually, she sustained internal injury and bleeding, and she died. Okay, good afternoon, Church. I'm still waiting for that lady that called when Mom was presenting her backyard to court to say that rubbish she said during her, I don't know, I don't follow this conversation. Waiting she talk. I don't follow that conversation. Good afternoon, Church. You have said it all. For me, I blame the mothers first, then the pastor and the woman who knows where it pains her the most and she chooses to stay in that marriage. Saying that what people say, your life comes first before anything. Make you hear word. Thank you. And I still the move to make sure say I cover all these messages. The woman is always at the receiving end. They say she's a failure because according to them she cannot make her marriage work. They see her as not being complete without a husband. They see marriage as the ultimate and a great achievement. Those are some of the reasons for stigmatization, Mrs. Mary from Lawanson. But whoever put them to you, say for a marriage to work, now you must make them work. Two, they become one and make them work together. If two cannot agree, they cannot work. And so it not be a master and a slave relationship because God no make them like that. Any other thing where anybody they tell me in a lie. Make I move. Cheche, good morning from your side, New Jersey. Okay. You say marriage is not by force. If you leave, people will talk. If you stay and die, people will still talk. If you want to stigmatize a lady for living a violent marriage, same will meet you one day. Any man that touches my sister will face the anger from me. Chidi, you know, say no go if you do anything where they out of the law. Take your sister away from the abuser. Simple. Cheche, good afternoon. I don't want to know why divorces are stigmatized. Nobody should be silent when going through toxic relationship and say because of what people are going to say. It's your life, not theirs. If you can't stand up for yourself, report to the appropriate authorities like human rights. And if you can't, even the Bible says, flee from all appearances of evil. Run, yeah. They say make you run. Hear what? Sherry, thank you so much. See, women want to die in the marriage because of what people will say. For the sake of their children, walking away is never a sin. Please let that man stop talking. He does not know what we are saying. God, no vex. Calm down. Anger management. Teacher, well done. We know which one to do again. If you come up problem, if you stay problem, and if it's important to emancipate yourself from mental slavery, women own the much marry all the time. Yes, they start from homes. They start from the foundation. Marry. Not be your mates, they be UN ambassadors. Not be your friend, they pursue to become president. Not be your mate, then they pursue to become governors. You there, your own now, marry. You don't carry out for head. This man now, heaven is the goal, not marriage. Church, for me, I think all the starts from courtship. Okay, at the rush. Good afternoon. At the vex now, church. Marriage not be forced. I want ask now, only divorce be seen. What of the other sins? Lucy, help me and ask. Cheche, you're playing her song. Oh, speak to us. Yes, I'm trying. Hi, Cheche. This topic, many women don't enter grave because of this, for better, for worse. Even Bible no talk say marriage now by force. It says singleness is the best if you can make it. But marriage will have a tribulation and okay, separation and divorce and all that they talk about. Church, very painful. Why I listened to that song now, that man was simply jealous of her because he knows she's a bright light. Yes, I hear some of those stories too. When you marry your enemy, they say no be unequally yoked with an unbeliever. Now you can't there yoked with a believer. A believer is son. Now still that believer and I can't put you for trouble. You understand what they talk? Hi, church. Between a wife or a husband, unacceptable. But I think infidelity and adultery between husband and wife is a major cause. Then you walk away, Johnson. Walk away. Church, my sister is tired. I don't know why Nigerian people stigmatize divorce and so much long message. Imagine a lady who is abusing her marriage going to family members. Then that will tell her is our family we don't divorce. They tell her to go back to the abuser. Some holier than that religious leaders are also helping matters. It's the time for us to be more righteous than the righteous. There's nowhere in any holy book where they say divorced person will not make heaven. Okay, church, you're trying a bed. Cookie, thank you. Church, my heart don't shatter as you play her song. I just play them. As I tell you like this now, when I dem inside my house, I dey quiet. I play this song, I cry, and I go cry. Church, thank you for your work. to wake women up. A lot are waiting to explain the mistake than learn from them. Cheche, you do it always on Women's Corner. Ride on, girl. I love you. You are a force. Thank you. Hi, Cheche. I'm still waiting for that lady. And I actually say, waiting the lady talk. I don't know. I don't follow the conversation. IJ. Cheche, I have some issue now. My elder sister's husband naked on the road beat her. The worst, my sister don't want to leave, and then maybe when she die now, she go finally leave for there. Let your sister know. Say if you end in death, or maybe she don't need to die alive again, she don't want anymore. That song always touch me, Cheche. Your program is the best. I appreciate you for lifting us up. My pastor, they always talk, say if you are in an abused relationship, please run for your life first. Farida, well done. God keep your pastor. Church, I posted this whole saga. Anonymous, you talk, say I want wash that till say no be. I don't see that thing. Okay, you're coding your messages. If you don't want make I mention your name, please tell me not to mention your name, but no code messages for me. They give me headache to read. Okay, please. Church, I get sis where married the husband know they feed them. She has 3 children, but if you no send money to her, then they no go eat. And yet my sister still they cover the man. Tell your sister saying when death happens, everybody they die alone. Okay? Yes. Good afternoon, Church. Well done. Thank you. What can I say to you? Thank you. Church, keep up this good work. Women's Corner is one of the programs I don't miss, and you have empowered me so much. Thank you. Church Smith, you said it all. Society and religious leaders have twisted everything around. She wants to see you. Church, this is painful. Please, women, there's no marriage in heaven. I'm wondering. I just wonder. My brother, I'm just wondering why this marriage now be all in all. Some to run heavenly race even had them. To run the heaven, to even follow God, to know God, to worship God, to truly love God, they had us. But you want die for another thing. Why? Who sell this thing give you? Who make you like this? At least when one person realize all the things what they teach and not lie, maybe you go change in it. Maybe you will change. Divorce is not really necessary, but if we need be, I beg leave. Cheche, baby, good afternoon. Married not be by force, so no be do or die. Thank you so much. I try to cover your messages, and if I don't read your own, hopefully you understand where they come from, okay? I still get loads of messages where I no read. God hate divorce. Does the same God love abusers too? Or I say submission is not slavery. I know how long I've talked to people about abuses that I get from family. I always hear is pray until it's done on me to walk away with all this pray and find my happiness. You talk say from the hell, the enemy and the family to the sanctuary in the name of the church. And Miriam, thank you so much. On Twitter, your messages come in dozens. But thank you, Lagos. Thank you for every single person we don't chook mouth on top of this topic today. Time no go fit permit me to take more messages, more tweets. So many people were sending tweets. I appreciate you for your tweets. The shake table, Cheche, well done on top Twitter. Oh my goodness. Cheche, thank you for this topic. The stigma don't send many people to grave. Kwando Gian Emeka also talk. Cheche, you see this country don't pass, be careful, especially divorce. Great man, I also see you. Wachuku, I see you. And loads of other people will tweet at me. Thank you for phone lines. Everybody will be say contribute on top of the phone line. I see you and I appreciate you. Tulu Golotai talk say good afternoon. Thank you for this talk. Since I don't read Bible, make I see where Bible talk say divorcees no go make heaven, and you talk say you never see. Church, all these things get as be relationship get time way. Okay, I've seen your own. Thank you for your tweets. Thank you for WhatsApp messages. Thank you for phone lines. And next, a little music, and then we go enter Palava. Lagos be wise. From the beginning, God no make it be like that. No less society to push you to believe, say it be a sin. You be an outcast, say you run for your life. Life first. When they talk say flee, they know why they tell you make you flee. Make nobody they preach perseverance, endurance to you. Use that your energy. Since you know how to pray very well, why not you pray for kingdom of God? Be like Cheche. The only business I get now to pray for the kingdom of God. Every other thing will align. You understand? Every other thing will align. You spend your time to pray for somebody where we say not supposed to spend time to pray for. All in the name of marriage. Because you don't entangle yourself. You don't believe say you be nothing without marriage. Who told you so? You don't get aspiration in life. You don't be a human being. Do you really think when your mama and your papa born you, they don't really get plans for you? You don't go to school. You don't learn skills. Why you go let another person subject you to a life where be say you know say no happy for you? You are 30, but you look 60, you look 70. You don't even get time to take care of yourself. Some of you don't enter mental problem because of marriage. From the beginning, it was never so. Nobody go tell me say na so God plan am. I refuse to believe. I refuse to accept. No be like that God take plan this marriage. How can something so sweet become so bitter inside? How you go there suffer and you go there in silence? You no go speak out, you no go run? Even if na swear, they swear for you. Curse never break. Jesus never set you free. He never died for you. Why you want die again? In vain? Because of marriage? What in there the marriage?